McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you yeah, my share. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you yeah, my share. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.
Hello, Abusiafo, and then so yeah, another episode of McBrown's Kitchen. Me did you from Miss Flavour. Now, and then so behind the scenes, no, you need just say a gospel singer be Ghana. Martin sounds me name that all the way in Canada. I just say what's it? Hey, turn it around. I know everybody has heard this song once before. She's here. We need to talk to her. Now finding out to Johnny or Baba no am I any day. Hello, sweetheart.
Hello, darling.
Na said your who see I fenty Johnny now ben one
say they be as they are say if you program basana you pentemi kitchen. Sometimes we shoes no way I'll perform not the kitchen.
Oh wow, why you feathered do? Nana did Johnny now by my McBrown's.
But on me yet tilapia sardine and a green pepper sauce and get the baby bell.
Tilapia sardine. Tilapia sardine.
Me invention. Miami creation.
I mean, but you're actually because wait a minute,
sir. Match them ye from Matias.
Martin to me, may what's now her, na machine, be in a message. Come on. It's but the only thing they say ye, metesty. Nasanya da, made the make come or be.
Trust me, you will love it,
sir. Now, is it like okay? Okay, there's a area.
Ube who be alive.
Matiodo, why? Okay. All right. Thank you so much for coming.
And we are BTS.
McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you yeah, my share. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.
Welcome. Go action. Action. Are you guys ready? Action. I'm going to be in the media. Minya commands still in channel. Quiet. With Mr. Ni Ade.
Rolling.
Action. Are you ready? Yes, are you ready? Oh, shame on Monica. Why ready? Alright, let's go. My people. I will say for McBrown's kitchen. Edianepa. Ed. They say what they give you a room. Part one. And the message is yours. Celestine Donkor.
McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you no am I in here? Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you yeah, my share. McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen.
Anybody know? We never buy. I'm a fan back up.
I say yes, we are only power. Yes, we are only power.
I want to feel. Near your coming. Oh, yeah, Mama. Mini banner.
Yeah, my share. McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you no am I in here? Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you
I call myself.
Share.
What? Hey! Hey! What's that? Give them. What's that?
McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you no am I in here? Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you yeah, my share. McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen.
Unless you're McBrown's Kitchen, a fun be an or tasty aduane. And you know, Mubeka say be a me bias. And Timoma yam saw no sooner aduane how it was. Saki, it is saying. Now, and now buy and say McBrown's Kitchen
contribution ni dear, just say me whom we da. Obia ye dear. Obia joining hands. Emma we are successful.
That was say. Na aduane na tasty and Celestine aduane no. How did you find it?
Oh, super. Because aduane we there. Say unye bi ma ura da, ukrunda. Oye man nkwande ne wate aka so. Because ne ye ne kra ni ye simple ye easy. Me ba ye mi mesua.
You boka ko bia ma girl.
Me dey surprising no.
Eh, any girl your friend say?
Your friend Dokas.
Dokas ube di benku. Na your gift na ide ma ore.
Oh, many so bebre. Nyini pe na be sa. Se me nya de meka benku, me nya benku ta kan wa. Anybody say wow.
Enti na say so da ya sem.
Oh, madam asi bebre.
Okay, Saki da was so ba ye. Me see me pe benku me di benku but benku we die. Hey! Oh, and then the benku ni superb.
Say Anche Sokra.
Oh, you were early. You're cooking everything was on. Me say ko hwe biom na ma picky near ma kakra frame.
Yeah.
na metimi anwa.
My tilapia. I mean, this is a very simple tilapia meal.
Me say wo YouTube nti me san kwa kwhwe. Na me say oba ye crew ye set ni said you obehu yen. How do you find that?
We yet to say family efedodo. I like the way we do mana who here say obe rebuke him or rebuke but obi an you offended and they are there it says
you know that is work. Na your gift na the mouth as well.
Hey,
it be wa
blown my mind, like I'm blown away.
I
Tell you, I'm shocked. Say me say I'm tired and can be ama
buy. So guys, but yes, you say na no aduane anka de bia. I'm telling you.
Give me the challenge you do. Oh, thank you so much. Thanks to all the sponsors.
We also want to say thank you so much for your patience. Said we were running a little bit late and everything, and you were so awesome. Yeah, that was so bad. Until next time,
I love Nana Ama McBrown. I love her. I really love her. Yeah. So anything for her. I mean, yeah.
And we are so sorry for keeping you long.
Okay, it's okay.
Thank you so much, sweetheart.
Guys,
all right, bye. So thank you very much for watching the behind the scenes. And me, I made this search my
McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen.